This is how you do a French knot. You can make French knots in different sizes. It just depends on how many times you loop your needle around your thread. So you start from the bottom, poking your needle up and pulling it all the way through till your knot gets stuck on the back, okay? Then you take your needle and you loop your thread around your needle and you poke it back down, right next to where you're coming out. And I pull it all the way through, and that will make a French knot. If you loop the thread around your needle more than once, it will make a larger knot. So you come up from the back, pull it all the way through, take your needle, loop your thread 1, 2 times. Let's do 3 times this time. And I'm poking the needle back down right next to where my thread is coming out of my fabric, and I pull it through. And because I wrapped it more, it makes a larger knot.